Dang it.
It's that one right, that's right there. No,
Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. Sorry. Look at how dirty her face is.
That's 5.
That's 7.
And
Okay,
5.
guys.
8-2.
They're all dirty. That's funny. Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. So today we are having to separate Allboy and our cow number 5 because we are selling them. Allboy has done his job and impregnated all of our girls. And now we are taking treats. Hunter got already, and we are having to separate them. So let's go separate those cows.
Mom, hurry!
Hunter's go, Hunter! You gotta go. Jump a little bit, not all of them.
Oh, we should push her over there into that one, the middle one. Hurry, go push her in.
Well, the fence is there. Okay, good. Now open that gate.
Yep.
Now we can get Allboy
Yeah.
to this one.
Yep. Get in there, girl. All right, let's go get.
Oh boy.
Hold on. I got this. Move this thing out of the way. Open the gate more.
Go in, walk in. Dump some on there. Dump some on the ground. Dump some on there. Go. She's pooping. Go.
Its butt is way too big.
How you get the baby? I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't know.
It's fine.
Like you're trying to eat your fingers.
They won't get out through that little corner over there?
Hunter, can you? They shouldn't. Jaden, go over on the other side.
You want me to open this side door? Get out?
Yeah, that'd be great. You can go ahead and go up in there, Hunter.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go from behind. Come on. Dump a bunch on the ground.
There is a bunch.
Oh, okay. Here. Here, get on this side, Isaiah. Isaiah. There you go. Squeeze it a little bit more.
Just the
There you go. Isaiah, come out that way a little bit, and we'll come closer. There we go. She almost didn't fit. Now get in there and shut that gate.
Well, they have a bunch of them.
Bye, guys. Have fun at your new place.